My name's Adam Reimer. I'm the owner of Sandy Creek Hydroseeding. We're out here today in Monroe, Georgia at the Monroe Pavilion. We're going to do about 6-7 acres using Omega by Southland Organics. So the main reason we're using it is we need fast germination, get these bare spots done so all that silt can't keep washing away, right? And that's the whole benefit of what we're doing. It's going to help the soil overall, and this stale Georgia clay is missing a lot of that biological matter. And that's what we need to add to it, and that's the easiest way to do it. We're going to hydroseed this whole 5-acre section here, and all of the silt drain dams, they've been getting washed out. Bunch of mud sliding through, dirty enough their retention pond, so we got to get that straightened out. So we're based out of Walton County, Georgia. You know, we cover the metro Atlanta area, and our big sales pitch, I guess, on ourselves is not cutting any corners. Hydroseeding's, I don't want to say a new industry, but it's definitely picking up steam in this area. There's so many ways to do it. A lot of people want to treat each project as if it's all the same, you know, one size fits all, as long as you're just changing the seed types. That's not what we do. It's way more capable if you do everything right, using the right products and doing everything job specific. So we don't cut the corners with it. We're furthering education as much as we can, trying to learn as the industry grows and bringing quality results with it.